In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list a product on Wayfair compliance checklist. First, open your browser and search for Sell with Wayfair. This will take you to Wayfair's supplier portal. Make sure you're on the official Wayfair site before proceeding. From there, sign in with your existing supplier account so you can access the product tools. Once you're in the portal, head to your dashboard and look for the option to add new products. This is where you'll start the listing process. You'll be prompted to choose between quick upload and guided upload. Quick upload is faster and ideal if you already know the template and category requirements. Guided upload is more step-by-step and helpful if you're new or listing a product type you haven't worked with before. Pick the option that best suits your familiarity with the process, then click to continue. Next, download the template provided. This file is the backbone of your listing and includes the fields Wayfair uses to keep your product compliant. Save it in an easy-to-find folder. You'll then choose a product class, which is essentially the category that defines which attributes and compliance fields you must complete. Selecting the correct class matters because it drives required fields, like dimensions, materials, certifications, and shipping details. After you select the class, confirm it by adding the selected class. Now download the template again so you have the class-specific version. This version includes the exact required and optional fields tailored to your product. Open the file and start filling it out carefully. Be thorough with product identifiers, titles, descriptions, dimensions, weight, materials, country of origin, care instructions, and any safety or regulatory information specific to your category. For images, make sure file names and resolutions match Wayfair's standards and keep your SKU structure consistent. When your template is complete and saved in the required format, return to the portal and choose the upload option. Select your filled out template from your computer. The system may run a quick validation, review any warnings or errors it flags, and make corrections in your file if needed. Finally, submit your upload. Wayfair will process the data and let you know if anything else is required. Keep an eye on the status in your portal and watch for notifications requesting adjustments, especially for compliance-related fields. Once approved, your product listing will go live with all the correct attributes in place. That's the full process from search to submission. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, compliant Wayfair product listing ready to sell.